How's it going, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're checking out the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Pixel 3 XL. Now, they also do offer these cases for the 3A and 3A XL. You can check those out as well. I made a previous video on that. But for the 3 XL, they also make the Style, a much more thin option. But this is going to be a much more bulky protective case that they offer. So this is going to give you lots of drop protection. It's going to give you protection if you are a outside person that does outside work, anything like that. If you just want to have a case that if you want to have while mowing the lawn, you can listen to your phone that way. So anyways, we have a built-in plastic screen protector right here. This comes in both blue, and then this is also the, I think, black. So yeah, black on black right here. So the same, we have just a black front instead. So hard plastic back right here, and then we have our rubber sides for that drop protection. Let's go ahead and get this case opened up real quick. It's a little tricky to open up first time, but once you get used to it, not a big deal. All right, so there isn't a internal screen protector peel on the inside, so we'll just wipe down your phone real quick. So you're going to put your phone in first, just like this, and since this is plastic, you don't have to really worry about it messing up your phone. So we can see already up here at the top that there are kind of cutouts for your cameras and things like that. And then inside we have like this kind of rubbery kind of finish and rubber sides there. Let's go ahead and get this. So there is actually, so separating front case to rear case, so it tells you that's what you're gonna need to do. No biggie there. That's definitely a tight fit, that's for sure. That's what a case ought to be though. And then we just want to make sure that this lip, it comes up over the edge and sits flush just like that. So there you go. So here is the Pixel 3 XL, that fingerprint scanner, which is nice and accessible and easy to find within this whole case. Definitely adds bulk on all dimensions, thickness, width, and height basically. We have your plug for your charging port down here. So this is just going to add additional protection on top of the dust and water resistance the 3XL already has and offers. The buttons are nice and tactile still. The power button has a slight texture to it, as you can see there. And then our volume buttons are also accessible. The side has a slight texture with minimal branding of just the SUP or SUPCASE, as we can see here. But this doesn't bother me whatsoever. I don't have the largest of hands, but this definitely makes reaching the screen much more difficult. But then again, you're not having to really worry of holding onto this phone because it is going to be so drop resistant in terms of protection. And then your phone just locked right into place into this belt clip. So yeah, so if you do any sort of outside contract work, if you are on the job site, anything to where you don't want to have your phone in the pocket, or let's say your phone is too big for your pocket, then we can go back to the old days of wearing an actual belt clip. So this does turn, so you can mount it on your belt horizontally or vertically, whichever you choose. You can pick this up for 20 bucks on Amazon. They have also, again, the black one. They also have a slimmer style version that has a clear plastic back for the 3XL. They offer these cases for a lot of other devices too. I'll leave the link in the description where you can pick this up. 20 bucks, not too bad at all. And then I have this Unicorn Beetle back here on the back. If you guys have any questions on the Unicorn Beetle Pro, let me know down in the comments below. Thank you all for watching, everyone. See you on the next one.